So tonight on Garage Time, we're going to show you how to do it's a quick, easy install, but we're going to show you how we installed the Fiamma bike rack on our VW bus. This rack fits anywhere from 64 up to 79. So we had it on our 64 last season. We're putting it on our 79 this season. So yeah, come along and we'll show you how that's done. So how this bike rack mounts is actually on the rear hatch. That's why it works with 64 all the way through 79. The size of the hatch had remained the same. So it clamps on the top and it clamps on the bottom. Now, what I'm going to do is I bought some 3M protective film, like vinyl film. I'm going to put a little piece just to help protect the paint a little better. It's already on the metal brackets for the bike rack, but I'm going to add a small piece to the vehicle just to help preserve the paint as best I can. So I'm going to go ahead, mark the center, and measure out where I need to put the tape. Okay, so I've got my two protective films, so I'm going to start applying those. Okay, and then I have it wrapping around. You have to open the door, obviously, to wrap it around. Okay, so the top is done. Loosen that one off, put it on the ground for now. Okay, and then that. What I'm going to do is open it. Latch that on, so it's kind of stuck. Open it. Latch that on so it's kind of stuck. Okay, get one of my bolts, one of my nuts, washer. And line it up. There we go. So then as you tighten this, obviously it will pull the rack on nice and tight. All in all, I'm pretty happy with the rack. I wish I could have got one that held more bikes. It doesn't seem like for the Fiamma brand for this year bus that they allow you to get a bigger tray to put more bikes on it. I know if you go up to I know if you go up to the wedge or like the Vanagon style, they definitely have ones that can support more bikes. And if I have, from using this all last summer, if I do have any complaints about it, it's the length of the arms that came with it. It's great for the kids' bikes, but when I put two adult bikes on it, you really have to work around with the bike, take the seats off, just to get it to work. I think if the second arm was slightly longer, it would have worked out better. Now I know I can buy another arm, but that kind of defeats the point of, or it's not why I'm complaining. I know you can always spend more money and fix things, but it was just, it would have been nice if it came and 2 adult bikes fit on it, no problem. 2 kids bikes fit on it, no problem. So you can see there, we've got it pretty tight. Okay, so those are tightened right down. It's good and tight. Now the first time you lift it up, obviously you need to check if it's going to hit or not. Obviously you just tried to protect your paint. You want to make sure that everything clear is okay. And I'll bring the camera over, showing you. But when it is up, you know, those arms do move, but I have, you know, about an inch, almost an inch clearance between the knob and actually my Westy rack. So, and you can see, like, it's not too heavy. The door will still stay up on its own. Obviously there's no bikes on it, but it will stay up on its own. And there it is. So to use the rack, put that back there, you loosen these 2 knobs at the sides, and then put it down to where you want it. Lock those knobs back up. And then you have these straps for your bike, obviously, and those do slide along it, and then again you can move. So you can move these so that can grab the frame of your bike, you know, depending on what bike you have on there. So I'm going to grab a bike and just show you. Okay, so I went ahead and grabbed my daughter's bike, so it is a child's bike. So I just throw it on, it balances pretty easy there. Lock the wheel in. So it won't fall off. Trying to avoid the camera. As I mentioned, these 2 slide, so you can slide that down over the rim. And then this is where you play with this and end up locking it where you need it. So I'm doing it real quick, just trying to demonstrate. But yeah, play with that, tighten it down, tighten these down more. Now, like I said, I just threw one on real quick for demonstration, but you can get 2 bikes on there. We've had 2 adult bikes, 2 kids bikes. Mostly we do the 2 kids. But yeah, that's your Fiamma bike rack made for a Volkswagen Type 2. Even the label says that it's made for Type 2. It fits the door perfectly, anywhere from 64 to 79. So good luck, and we'll see you out there. So there you go, we've installed our bike rack on our 79 Westphalia, ready to go camping. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.